Hello everyone. Today we are at Trocadero. Trocadero is one of the place which is near to the film. Like whoever travel to the Paris, they want to have a good pictures, and one who likes to travel to a new place, and obviously they want to have a new they want to have a good pictures. So it's not just my suggestion, but when you come, where you can also feel the same. That like to have a good pictures and good view of Eiffel and the surroundings of the Eiffel. As for my point of view, it looks very amazing, and you can have a walk, and you can see the how the things is going on surrounding to this place, and you travel. My suggestion is like don't miss this place, Trocadero. Yes, we can see here like many of them are standing here and like sitting over having a great time. Yes, you can see Eiffel by from this location. It looks very amazing. It's very amazing. Yes, right. Yes, like here sometimes like mob dance, and like people have a music, and someone will play guitar. Yes, we can see. You can have a look and see if from this spot. Sure, you can feel that you can have a perfect pictures. One of them is having a guitar, playing guitar. Yeah, he's enjoying his day. Especially in the weekends, it's a lot of people. A lot of means many people over here, and especially in summer, it's like a tourist. It's one of the best tourist spot like to stay, to have to hang out with your friends, and like and to have some drinks. Yeah, see, it's like amazing. You can feel this. See, like a food court. You can have breads and stuff, and chocolates and ice creams, and see, here is our Eiffel. Yes, you can see the perfect view. It's an amazing view, right? You can see the city surrounding of the Eiffel, and you can see people how they are having a good time. It's like amazing. Yeah, once you visit Paris, sure don't miss this place, because to have a good pictures and amazing pictures, I feel like this is the perfect one, and pictures makes us memory. Pictures can make memory, right? So it's like a great spot to have a pictures. See, can you imagine from this place with lights and back of Eiffel? It's like around 7:30, 8 o'clock, and see how the people are having a great interest and. We are walking the surroundings of Eiffel and the Trocadero. Yeah. See, this is a perfect point to have pictures. You can when you come to visit, never miss this place. Never. Yes, we can see the view of the city of Eiffel. You can see it. Yeah, having a good view. It's a place like it's a place having to have a good photos, good pictures, and not only that, you can have a good time to listening the music. And some people will perform dancers like salsa and like different category dancers, different on the different song, different music. And like people will play guitars and play music. And yeah, this is more than amazing, boy. Too much is good. Yeah. Yes, you can see, relax, they're having dance. Yes. It's like evening after it's 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, light will start according to the climatic conditions, if it's sunny or no. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, everyone.